Okay, here we are again. We're back at the attic. Conversion into the bedroom. We have all this stuff around. And we gotta sand up some shit today. Alright? At the same time, I have some paper that I'm planning on putting on the floor for some protection for painting. I want to try to get some more pieces up of the trim. I have a nice big huge piece right here. As you see, it stretches all the way down the stairs to the bottom of the stairs. Wasn't sure how much I needed, so I just grabbed a whole big 12-foot sheet. So that's what today's work is going to be all about. So memorize what we got going on here. Look, I missed a spot. And we shall see how much we can get the gun done today. All right. Catch you back in a little while. Okay, here we are again. I know it doesn't look like it, but this has now been sanded down. I don't know if you can tell, but it has all been sanded. That's been sanded. This has been sanded down. This has all been sanded down. You see the sanding stuff down on the floor. This has been sanded down and then some more put up. And same here, it's been all sanded down and then some more mud put up. Now I am going to clean up this whole side and put this paper down with tape to protect the floor for when I paint. So I will sweep up all the dust and tape down the paper. See you on the flip side. Okay, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below, and click that little bell so you know when I put up the new videos. Alright, so I guess I bit off a little more than I chewed for today. I started rolling out the paper on the floor and moving some stuff over here, as you can see. And at the same time, I was putting up trim, cutting that. So I got a little bit to go over here. That will be for tomorrow. But it's coming along pretty nicely. Like I said, it's going to look nice in here when it's all done. It just takes a little bit. Yeah, I did put it all in here too, see? Just takes a little bit to get everything all set up when you're by yourself. Now, I'm by myself because can never trust nobody to do crap. So, once again, I'm single and I'm solo. And I am Alto.